Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing well, and I want to wish you a very happy Thanksgiving because today is Thursday, and what I want to do is just kind of go over a few exciting things. First being my Black Friday through Cyber Monday sale, 30% off the entire store, and no code is needed. So if you go to my shop.thesalonguy.com, and you add whatever products you're looking for, it's free shipping in the United States, which is what we always do, but this time it's 30% off, but no code needed, which is really, really exciting. We're prepared for this. We stocked up on inventory, and I'm really, really excited. So a couple of things. Once again, I'm going to mention Tidal Wave, which is my #1 selling product, and my new TikToker hairstyle kit, which is the 2-inch ceramic round brush, the ionic ceramic. I also do sell these on its own, but you have to make sure that you see the one that says TikToker hairbrush, because I do have the larger size ceramic brush. This one specifically says TikToker hairbrush. So you want to make sure you're getting this. This is the smaller one, the 2-inch barrel. And then with that kit includes the brush, the Tidal Wave hairspray, spray, and the locked hairspray, which is a matte finish, light to medium hold, pliable hairspray. Those things are available. Next up, I just got this in, which I'll be doing a video on probably tomorrow or Friday. Yeah, tomorrow. I've got in to my new collection, the yellow tin collection, is the new wax paste, okay? So in this collection, I've got the wax hair paste, I've got the grooming hair paste, and the cream hair clay. So these three right here, they are available now in a kit, which you can get for a discount. Just to break them down, the first thing I want you all to know about these products is my goal was, I had a few goals. One, to make them a little more, the price point a little more friendly to some of you. So they retail individually for $17.99, and again, free shipping in the United States. I wanted to create a price point that was something a little on the more affordable side in case someone's interested, but the quality is second to none. There's still amazing quality, and the performance. A lot went into the performance of these products, all under my direction, and I said I wanted extremely user-friendly hair products. And what does that mean by user-friendly? Easy to scoop, easy to apply, and fantastic results. And that's what you're getting. So the grooming hair paste, I'm suggesting this for people who have maybe a little bit of longer hair, maybe a medium length hairstyle. You're not getting it buzz on the sides. You want something just to kind of tame the hair. The grooming hair paste really is amazing. And then the cream hair clay, in my opinion, it's probably the most unique clay I've ever used, even myself, compared to my other products, where it's a cream consistency. It scoops out effortlessly, and then you want to work it through your hands to where you still see some of the product in your hands where it's still creamy, right? You don't want to work it through all the way where you see nothing like traditionally you might think you want to do. The reason is because while it's still creamy, it goes through the hair so easily, and the magic happens while it's becoming absorbed into your hair. That's when the clay texture starts to kick in. Then it transforms into a matte finish. It's a pliable type of texture, and then you've got that nice hold and finish. No tug or pull whatsoever, and I want to make this a cream hair clay, which is very unique because you don't really see many cream hair clays, and it's a phenomenal product. And then the newest one on the block is the wax hair paste. So imagine pregame, my product pregame on steroids. Super easy to scoop, and I want to, the strongest hold I've ever seen, but that's what I wanted. Beyond strong hold, matte finish, but the easiest product to scoop and apply to your hair. So for this one, just like the rest, you want to work it through your hands. Do not rub it in fully to where you don't see product. It will get too sticky. When you get this through your hair, all right, you have maybe 10 seconds or so to work it through your hair and get it absorbed in, which will be very easily. And then after that, once it absorbs, the hold starts to kick in, and then it's like, whoa. Then you want to set it and forget it. So this lineup, and I'm really not going to make any more products within this category here because this is all you need. So this is it. This is the 3 products. The fragrances are like beyond amazing. Very warm, rich, masculine flavors. Really, really nice. And I'm super excited about them. So those are all available. And that's pretty much it. So I want to wish you all happy Thanksgiving. Don't forget, at midnight, right? Tonight at midnight until Monday at midnight, 30% off the entire store, free shipping in the United States. And I want to thank you all for your support. So have a great Thanksgiving. Thank you all so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you next time for more videos with a Salon Guy.